How can you find a lot of ideas? So first we have management systems application like student management system, university management system, where you can add a student, enroll the student, view all the student record, delete all of them and update them. So this kind of things, and login registration, you have those features. Next we have e-commerce, where you can upload pictures of any product, and you just adding description, how many stars it has, specific comment, reviews. You can add all of those into the database, and the website or in Android application or iOS application will show that in your users, and they can see all your products review which is commented by the users. So all of those things and are e-commerce website. And e-commerce website also have add to cart option, where you can add your wish list, that which product you want to buy or going to buy, and you will see all of those features, important features, and also login and registration, because without login and registration they cannot track the user, that who is buying it, who is ordering it. So it is very important. Third is traveling app, which is like you can say Uber, which uses geolocation, Google Maps, and location API. So you need to know those kind of APIs like location API, Google Maps API, third-party API. You need to know very well about those. And also for Uber type application, you need to know driver and customer support, where all users and admin panels and driver panels are different. There are three main components there, so we need to know how to organize them properly. Fourth is security based application, which is suppose you want to have a proper control of your children, where they goes and how they spend their times, are they studying properly or not. You can track their location via geolocation API or different kind of applications and API. They're available for security reasons. You can use them. We have medical supply or medical related application, like which medicine you should take for which purpose or which disease, and you can contact with the specific doctor. And you have a real-time application which you can contact with doctor, audio chat with them, video chat with them, get suggestions from them, and you also send them that you have this kind of problem. You will query that I have this kind of issues, so what would be the medical supply, what would be the recommendation for medicine for a specific purpose of that disease. Suppose anyone have a fever, so he will just check box to the fever, and he also add suggestions that I want that kind of doctor or that category of doctor to suggest me some medicine. So he will enter all the information, and the medical center will get all the information, and the doctor will advise them according to their need. So these are the medical related application. Number 6 is that game related application, which you can make some simple like tic-tac-toe, Ludo Star game, and different kind of AI based game, like they can interact with you with based on your decisions, and different kind of game like Flappy Bird that can go different kind of obstacle and go there. And different kind of games are really popular, and some of the popular 3D games that you can see are also a part of this project. The next category, which is number 7, is image processing based application. Now these applications are really good for final year project or high demanding project in every countries in the world. So the most important thing is that they can analyze your skin texture or any part of your texture. They are scanning your lungs or your heart, and they can identify which types of diseases you are in. So it gives real-time applications that gives you suggestions of which disease you have based on your skin texture, your inner organs, outer organs, and even some skin. They can scan your skin, and it can say that you have this kind of disease based on our data sets. So you need to also know machine learning algorithms for it, because you need to give your data sets lots of images of your diseases to the machine learning algorithm, and based on that it will give you some suggestion that it matches with that kind of diseases. So the pictures that we are seeing is close to that disease, so they will give you a suggestion that, oh, your skin texture matches with our, so you have this kind of diseases. So this is really important for image processing, and you can do a lot of things like that. For machine learning, I will suggest you to learn all those machine learning algorithms. For machine learning projects, they are really good, and you need to learn a lot. You need to be really good in Python programming language. You need to be good at NumPy, which is another library for Python for data science, and NumPy array and pandas. You need to be really good, and you need to analyze all the huge amount of data and extract some important things to it. Suppose you want to know your body mass index based on your age, height, and weight. Okay, so it will predict your BMI based on your that kind of feature, your body mass, height, those kind of features. It can predict it. Or suppose it can also predict which type of product you are buying, or it is really good for marketing people who want to know the users demand. By analyzing which types of product they are buying or ordering most, they can recommend those product in their website or application more and more. This is how also Amazon works. And you already know about Amazon, that when you select any product, suppose you are selecting keyboard of any brand, when you go next time, they will track it and also show you the recommended for your choice. So they actually working on that. The next project is IoT based, which is Internet of Things, which your electronic products sense everything through sensor and act according to the environment that it is sensing. Suppose it is sensing temperature like 100 degrees Celsius, and it will show you some error. Okay, so it is first sensing the temperature, then showing it to your smartphone that yes, this is high temperature, you need to leave this place, this place is getting very dangerous. So it is working like that. So this kind of application you need to know about Raspberry Pi, Arduino board, and lots of electronics course you should take if you want to really good in these IoT related projects. And so there are another project which is augmented reality based, which you will place your camera and it will show the 3D models, the galaxies, the Iron Man, those kind of superheroes in your application. It looks really good, and you can try in your projects, different kind of projects. You can try those virtual reality and augmented reality applications, and also for research purpose they're also really good. So these are all the types of applications that you can make, and I also show you this slide that how it is working.